the United Kingdom, a land where ancient history meets modern wonder, where rolling green hills stretch beyond the horizon, and where centuries of culture, tradition, and beauty come together in one unforgettable journey. From the world-famous streets of London to the wild majesty of the Scottish Highlands, from peaceful villages straight out of a fairy tale to dramatic coastlines shaped by time, the UK is a place that captivates every kind of traveler. Our journey begins in the iconic capital, London, a city that blends centuries of history with modern life. London welcomes millions 1,000. Here, the River Thames winds past landmarks like the Tower Bridge, glowing softly against the evening sky. The Houses of Parliament rise along the water, their golden lights reflecting beautifully at dusk. Big Ben stands proudly as one of the world's most recognizable symbols. Explore the world-class galleries of the British Museum, wander through the vibrant streets of Covent Garden, or stroll through Hyde Park, where city life melts into peaceful greenery. From the royal elegance of Buckingham Palace, unwind to the modern skyline of the Shard, London is a city where the past and the present walk hand in hand. Travel north to the Scottish capital, Edinburgh, a city carved from stone and steeped in legend. Edinburgh Castle towers high above the city, guarding centuries of history. The Royal Mile leads you through medieval streets filled with charm, mystery, and music. At sunrise, climb Arthur's Seat for breathtaking views as golden light spills over the rooftops. Edinburgh feels like a living storybook, magical, atmospheric, and unforgettable. Beyond the cities lies one of the most dramatic landscapes in the world, the Scottish Highlands. And deep, silent lochs reflect the sky like mirrors. Glen offers valleys shaped by ancient glaciers, its scenery both haunting and magnificent. Loch Ness adds a sense of mystery, while the Isle of Skye feels like another world entirely, with its rugged cliffs, natural pools, and sweeping landscapes. This is the UK at its wildest and most spectacular. No spoken line, transition shot for editing flow. In the north of England lies the Lake District 2023, a peaceful escape of lakes, forests, and gentle hills. Windermere glimmers beneath sailing boats. Grasmere invites you into the landscapes that inspired poets. And quiet trails lead you through some of the most calming scenery in the country. The Lake District is a sanctuary of nature, reflection, and timeless beauty. Now we enter the Cotswolds, where England's countryside looks like a fairy tale brought to life. Golden stone cottages, colorful gardens, and riverside paths fill villages like Bibury, Bourton-on-the-Water, and Stow-on-the-Wold. Every corner feels peaceful, every lane feels warm, and every stone tells a story of tradition and simple rural charm. Crossing into Wales, we find a land of legends and breathtaking natural landscapes. Stand inside the towering walls of Caernarfon Castle. Follow dramatic coastlines across the Pembrokeshire cliffs, and hike the rugged peaks of Snowdonia National Park, where the views stretch endlessly in every direction. Wales is alive with history, adventure, and natural wonder. In Northern Ireland, the land is shaped by time itself. Visit the Giant's Causeway, where tens of thousands of volcanic stones create a natural path into the sea. Nearby, Dunluce Castle stands on a cliff edge, overlooking crashing waves and endless horizons. Northern Ireland is dramatic, mystical, and deeply beautiful. Transition line to next region. Next, we explore two of the world's most historic academic cities, Cambridge and Oxford. Gothic towers rise above ancient libraries. Students glide along peaceful rivers in wooden punts. and centuries of knowledge echo through grand halls and quiet courtyards. These cities are a celebration of learning, architecture, and old-world atmosphere. Transition to York section. York takes us back in time. Walk the medieval city walls. Explore the Shambles, one of Europe's best-preserved old streets. And stand beneath the breathtaking York Minster, a masterpiece of Gothic design. York feels like stepping into another era. No spoken narration or optional shortline. Along England's southern shore lies the Jurassic coast, a natural wonder millions of years in the making. Here, cliffs reveal layers of Earth's ancient past. Durdle Door, with its giant stone arch, rises powerfully above turquoise waters. Lulworth Cove offers peaceful beauty, with waves gently shaping its curved shoreline. It is one of the UK's most cinematic landscapes. This line supports your transition into the cinematic outro. From the historic streets of London to the wild mountains of Scotland. From the peaceful lakes to the ancient coastlines. The United Kingdom is a place filled with wonder, depth, and unforgettable beauty. Whether you seek adventure, culture, history, or calm, you will find it here in every village, every city, and every landscape. The United Kingdom, timeless, enchanting, and waiting to be discovered. Your script may not explicitly say this line, but it's the natural dramatic setup before the final closing sentence. Thank you for joining this journey. If your script does not include this sentence, it is optional and emotional.